So,
I thought you had stopped it.
no. So this is package number 1. I know I don't think I've really posted anything about me going back to school. So for those that don't know that, we decided that I was going back to get my bachelor's degree in digital film. It's been about a month now, a little over a month. There's a bunch of stuff on the way. This is the first box. So, see what we got. Mouse, Magic Mouse, Apple, Mac, adjustable tablet stand.
I'm gonna steal that.
Huh?
I'm gonna steal that for my tablet.
You gonna steal that for your tablet?
No.
I don't think that's nice. iPad. For the stand that you're gonna steal?
Yeah.
4 terabyte scan disk. Full blade transport. External hard drive.
Oh, there y'all got an iPad.
USB-C hub, 5-in-1 adapter. It's like the other
Why
piece
is
of
it called a magic mouse?
Why is it called a magic mouse?
Yes. Does
Why?
it do magic?
Well, I don't know. Why is the other thing called a rabbit? Shouldn't the packaging list be on top
It's supposed to be.
or on the bottom? All right, so in this box, there should be a hard drive, mouse, portable folding stand, the iPad case, the clapper board, action, the USB female C to A adapter, the hub, and then
And that means you have more box. I don't see the clapper. That box runs deep. There it is.
the clapper,
And action.
and then what I've been waiting for.
I mean the Mac Pro.
You got a Mac Pro
Huh?
I was saying you got a Mac Pro and an iPad.
Mac Pro and an iPad. Wait till you see the second batch that comes in a couple months. All the lights, the camera,
They give you
the
a
light stands, brand new MacBook Pro with the iPad to match. More stuff to add to the studio. It's coming along. Oh, the case looked like it was chewed on, but this is that mobile phone adapter.
Is that open?
Hmm?
You got pushed.
It got crushed. Oh, it's torn actually, but it's a phone adapter. So far, so good. I got one bad grade. Well, now I can't say a bad grade. Every test, every quiz, every project thus far, what I got, like 9.
You got an A on all of them except for one. You got a B.
Oh, this is the nice size one too. It's a big one.
You got an A and a half B. I'm trying to watch.
So we maxed out.
Yeah. You got a Mac Air, now a Mac Pro.
And the iPad.
See, it's gonna power up. That's a lot of power in there.
Right. Since when they so big though? But
Well, I am proud of you. You're doing great so far in school.
thank you, love. But that's the
When you
first
get
box.
That bachelor's degree. You're never too old to go back to school, right?
Who said anything about old?
Ha ha!
You watch your mouth over there.
Ha ha!
Decals, Apple decals. But I gotta call them and let them know everything is in the box for tech kit number 1. Oh, there's still more stuff, but I gotta download it. Final Draft, Movie Maker, budgeting and scheduling, Adobe Creative Cloud, and Apple iPad apps. I still gotta download. But it's not bad for round 1. So I get everything charged up.
Awesome, awesome, awesome.
The next batch is all the gear. I was watching somebody else's YouTube, the one I was showing yesterday. It was like 20 boxes.
Welcome back to Richmond Collective. We're here today for the LA Film School Digital Online Film Program unboxing of Tech Kit 2. The last one I did 6 months ago or so, it was an adorable little Tech Kit. You know, I came with one little sweet cute box and it had some goodies in it. Well, the packages that arrived at my home over the past weekend was in 17 boxes, I believe. Massive, massive load we got here. We're talking lights, mics, headphones, camera back.
You want me to put it? I don't know yet. But we got time. It's coming. It might come. It depends. Cause I think it's like mid-September, the middle to the end of September. That's the one. That's what I'm looking for. You know, the camera alone was the one I was looking at before, and that was like $4,000 just for the camera. So, but we good. I'll drink to that. Everything is brand new, which is cool. A lot of this stuff we was looking at before, and I was pricing it, trying to figure out how to accomplish getting all this stuff in a short matter of time. Because the prices are outrageous. Like the camera lens I showed you that's coming with the camera, that lens by itself, I think it's 4 lenses coming. The one I showed you was $3,000 by itself. So for the lens, 2 lenses and the camera, we would have spent over $10,000. And now I got it all at once. And I'm getting my degree. And I'm killing it. Maybe when I finish, I either go for the next degree or I'll add something else. I started this other course, digital marketing course. So I have that certificate coming soon.